हे एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू? वेलकम टू मेंटे जीनियस। गाइस, आज हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे जो कि 10th का क्वेश्चन है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। तो आइए देखें इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या गिवन है। tan a is equal to root of 2 minus 1 and we have to show sin a into cos a which is equal to root of 2 by 4. ABC, we have make a triangle ABC. Tan A is given as root of 2 minus 1. Okay, guys, by the definition of trigonometry, we have PB by HHB. Perpendicular by hypotenuse is the value of sin A. Base by hypotenuse will be equal to cos A, and P by B. P here is perpendicular and B here is base. मैं बेस एंड परपेंडिकुलर यहां पर शो कर रही हूं. बेस, guys, this tan A is equal to perpendicular by base. Now we can write root 2 minus 1 divided by 1. Okay, now we will get, by equalizing, perpendicular will be equal to root of 2 minus 1 and our base will be equal to 1. Now we have to find the वैल्यू फॉर हाइपोटेनियस. हाइपोटेनियस कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? बाय द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या कहती है? AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. AB is our base here and BC is our perpendicular here. Now we will fill the values here. AB is equal to 1. We will write 1 square plus BC square. BC is equal to root of 2 minus 1. Its square will be equal to, guys, we will use a formula A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. We will use this formula to open this one. Okay, now find out the values here. Solving it, root of 2 square, I am applying this formula here. Root of 2 square minus B is here 1. A minus B whole square is equal to A square. A here is our root 2 and B is 1. So plus 1 square minus of 2 into A and B. A is root 2 and B is 1. Now I will fill the values. I'm solving it. 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2, which will give me the value 4 minus 2 root 2. Now our AC is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 root 2. Now we have the value of hypotenuse as AC is equal to this one. Now we can easily find the value of sin A. Sin A will be equal to P by H, where P is perpendicular and H is hypotenuse. P by H. Now I am filling the values here. P is perpendicular is equal to root of 2 minus 1 by hypotenuse is equal to 4 minus 2 root 2 under root. And now I will find the value of cos A. As I need the, now cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is our base here? 1, and hypotenuse is equal to under root of 4 minus 2 root 2. Okay. Now by multiplying sin A into cos A, we will get root of 2 minus 1 by under root of 4 minus 2 root 2 into cos A is equal to 1 over under root 4 minus 2 root 2, which will give me the value of root 2 minus 1, and will here the square root will be cancelled out. 4 minus 2 root 2. Now let us take common. I am taking common 2 root 2 here, and root 2 will be remaining here, and 1. Now we can cancel it. 1 over 2 root 2. We can multiply the numerator and denominator by root 2 to remove this root 2 from the denominator. Now what we will get? Root 2 by 2 root 2 into root 2 will be equal to 4, which we have to prove that. Now guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you.